I believe that definitely all we're a part of the solution, or we're a part of the problem. And who wants to be a part of the problem?
Fusing together our love of our environment here in the southern Arava Desert, our commitment to developing a community that has the values of caring for the environment while caring for people, to be an example of what societies can be in Israel and in the world.
I think everyone's a teacher, but we became teachers because we had something we wanted to share.
The Korean Apprenticeship provides a very practical set of tools, how to build, how to grow food, appropriate technologies which are applicable, and how we live together in community.
Food does not come off the shelf in the shop, but rather comes from the earth and comes from hard work. This is the greatest connection that we have to the environment, and so it's a place that it makes sense to have a spiritual awareness in.
I'm going to take back from this course a feeling of refreshed energy and like knowledge and skills that I can not only kind of incorporate into my own lifestyle, but also that I can pass on to other people.
If people believe in that, if people see the importance of respecting more the nature and using the sources that it offers to us in a more fair way, come. Just come. Come check it out.